This is Hunan the ceramic materials co. Limited, which we mainly supply ceramic grinding jars and grinding beads with different material, such as alumina, zirconia, agate, silicon nitride, stainless steel, tungsten carbide. We have widely produced ball mill jar for Rich, fridge, and other lab ball mills. Let's introduce our agate grinding jars now. The agate grinding jar is the ideal solution for high performance milling in laboratory settings. Crafted from Brazilian natural agate stone, this jar offers excellent hardness rated 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale and outstanding chemical resistance. It ensures minimal contamination, making it perfect for grinding materials like ceramics, minerals, biological samples, and rare metals. Each jar is polished to a smooth finish, reducing friction and sample loss during milling. The tight-fitting lid design guarantees a secure seal, even under high-speed rotation, compatible with most planetary ball mills. This jar comes in capacity ranging from 50 ml to 3,000 ml, with custom vacuum jar upon request. Whether you're working in a research lab, university, or industrial setting, our agate grinding jar delivers stable, reliable performance.